Welcome everyone to the bridge between two worlds, science and humanities. I'm John, and today we're exploring why these fields aren't rivals but partners in shaping our understanding of humanity. Let's dive in. Throughout history, science and humanities thrived together. Leonardo da Vinci merged anatomy with art. Galileo studied the stars while penning philosophical essays. The Enlightenment tied reason to ethics, proving these disciplines fuel progress. Science asks how the universe works. Humanities ask why we are here. Take space exploration. Rockets get us to Mars, but philosophy guides how we treat alien ecosystems. Science needs ethics, humanities need evidence. Together they answer life's big questions. Tension rose in the 1800 Science prioritized data, humanities focused on meaning, but divide weakens both. Climate change isn't just carbon models, it's about justice for vulnerable communities. Medical breakthroughs need policies that heal societies, not just bodies. Modern universities get it. MIT blends tech with music, Stanford merges AI with ethics, Harvard's Science and Society program trains thinkers who code and critique. This isn't trend, it's survival. We need tech-savvy humanists and data-literate artists. Your brain on art? Neuroscience shows novels boost empathy, music therapy eases pain, history teaches us to avoid past mistakes, literature fuels innovation. Steve Jobs linked calligraphy to Apple's design. This is the synergy we need. AI, ethics, genetic editing, cyber warfare. These aren't just science problems, they're human ones. Engineers can't build AI fairness alone. Philosophers can't debate algorithms without data. Literacy in both fields isn't optional, it's essential. Students today code apps and analyze their societal impact, write policy informed by data, create art inspired by quantum physics. This hybrid mindset will redefine progress. Imagine curing diseases while ensuring healthcare access, tackling climate change with cultural sensitivity, designing cities that blend tech and community. This future needs you, thinkers who refuse to choose between equations and emotions.